Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Charlie, more violence tonight. More violence.
What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at car service garage. I don't know if you can see it. Car service garage all the way in Lomé. This is my homeboy's shop. He's busy somewhere over there, and those who are OGs of this channel, you guys will remember this shop. Back in the days we had a washing bay here, and yeah, so this is my homeboy Nikita's shop. I'll go and talk to him shortly. And here are some of the cars he has here. He has an E30, E46, another E30, E46 M3. Then we have another E30. I think he wants to put a V8 in this one, and another E46. So guys, we are back. Stick and stay for more. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe. Whilst they were tuning the E46 M3, he just realized he blew the ECU, so they are trying to find a way to sort it out. Guys, it's not easy building a drift car here in Africa. If shit goes wrong, you will suffer. But you know, Nikita is a genius, so he will definitely find a solution. You can see his man here is wearing his helmet. He's going to town right now to go and find one. Guys, kudos to anyone building a drift car or doing a car project here in Africa. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Yeah. You found a solution? Solution? You have a solution?
Oh, this is a spare one from E46. I will try to remove this component
and put here.
Yes.
Yeah, Nikita, the genius. That's him.
456.
Okay.
So mine, this one, get electric shock, so and he explode inside.
Wow.
I don't know why. Maybe the coil have issue inside, and the electricity come back to the board,
and then it blew.
So I got plenty old one from other car from E46.
The regular one, the regular.
Yeah, not the M.
Yeah, the regular E46.
So from that, I unsold it,
and then
I sold to the new one, and I tried, and thank God it worked. Because I never do this before. I just want
to try
anything. What happened? Let's try it.
And it worked. So that's the magician Nikita.
Yes.
I didn't know he was a magician as well. Yeah. So tomorrow, are you excited about tomorrow?
Yes, I'm okay for tomorrow.
Okay.
Slowly. Ça va aller.
So guys, I was told earlier by Nikita that two-door E30s are very, very rare here in Togo. I didn't know that. So, and he has 3 of them. That's one. That's the second one. This one is a turbocharged drift machine. And then over at the far end, he also has another one just sitting there. Yeah. And this is his E46 M3, his baby. He loves this car more than his wife. Trust me, guys. then this is his turbocharged. This is an N52 B28, right? N52. Yeah. M52 B20. Look at the size of the turbo. Big turbo.
The turbo is GTI 30.
GTI 30.
30.
Wow.
GTX 30. Because you have also GTX 35.
Oh, okay.
But I use GTX 30. Because if the turbo is too big, you have big lag when you want to drive.
Okay.
This one also have some lag, so.
On low RPM or high RPM? Or just...
No, from 2.53, I have nothing.
Oh.
Since 3, it kicks your ass.
Full power. I need to experience this car, guys. I need to experience this car.
But I will do the tune on the road also because I have some setup to check.
Okay, okay.
I will call my guy with Team Viewer. He will update.
Okay. And he has some Recaro seats. Man, I can't wait to experience this car. I can't wait to experience this car. Yeah. So guys, the cars are ready. We are heading to the event grounds to have a meeting there. And that's my homeboy Nikita here. So we'll be leaving shortly. I came on this trip with my partner, my business partner, Fred, also known as High Priest. Are you excited?
I'm so excited about what I'm seeing today, especially how the guys are working tirelessly for tomorrow's event. Like they are really doing well, because when they fix this, then they have this issue, but they are really, I can see the teamwork here, and I'm so excited.
It's 8 p.m. and they are still working.
Yeah, I'm so excited for tomorrow, and I can't wait to see what they will do with the car. They are really working. Let's hope for the best for them tomorrow.
Okay, so guys, like you said, let's hope for the best. It's slipping. It's moving.
It's big tire.
Yes. Guys, I'm enjoying myself. Man. Bumbuckler. So we just touched down here at the Kegue Stadium. This is where we'll be drifting tomorrow. This is where all the action will be happening. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be insane. Charlie, how you see him?
Charlie, more violence tonight. More violence.
You enjoy it?
Oh, I enjoy it.
You enjoy it? Yeah. And this Honda Civic is ripping it hard like a motherfucker. And we have the other drift cars here as well. I'll show them to you shortly. Oh, nice one. Tomorrow is going to be insane, so you guys should look out for the video. Okay, so we have a sick lineup of cars. Man, what is this? Wow. Okay, so I think we have about like a few drift cars here. We have this wide body E30. We have an E46 compact. Sorry, E46 compact. We have all Nikita's cars that he'll be drifting with tomorrow. Let me show them to you. And then we also have a Subaru. Wow. Then Nikita's turbocharged E30, the E46, and then the E46 M3. So hopefully other cars pull up. They are having a meeting down there about tomorrow's event, so stick around for more. So it's time to tune this bad boy, and Nikita is over there with the tuner. I'm also here assisting. Today is a happy day. And the other guys are also ripping it over there. Crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's loud out in here. So guys, it's past midnight and we are done with setting up the track and we are heading back to our various homes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm here with the El Professor. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and share it and subscribe. I'll see you in the next